All right, we are back here for HCW SnowStorm, the return of HCW, and this is our second match of 3. Scheduled for one fall. And out coming first, we have the Wrangler. Now, we have never seen the Wrangler before. Very strange soul from what I can see.
Okay,
the Wrangler. He's about to go one-on-one with... Somebody just got his robe. He's about to go one-on-one with Rick the Dick, as far as I know.
Now, making his way to the ring, eventually, born in Wayne County, female penitentiary, standing at a statue of 6'1", 250 pounds.
I think I just spoiled it for everybody. Says Johnny McCommensate. That is where our sound comes from, by the way. If you're wondering why I'm focusing on that. Alright, well, if you didn't hear that, it's Rick the Dick. Rick the Dick, a very unorthodox name, but nonetheless, it is still a name. And thankfully, I didn't screw up that time, with apologies to Wild Man Dan. And we are awaiting Rick the Dick's entrance so that we can get this freaking match going on. And here he is! There's Rick the Dick. There's Rick the Dick. And there is the Wrangler. Wrangler does not seem too impressed by Rick the Dick. We can measure the tie up there. The Dick's foot was under the rope there. Punch, some knockdowns, and oh my, some stomps right there. Rick the Dick. Now some media outlets have in fact said that he is a dick. So I don't even know what's going on right here, and I am supposed to be a play-by-play man. There's Rick and the Wrangler. They try to get this going and lock up. Rick the Dick and the Warlock or the Wrangler or whatever. There, I screwed another name up. They get in the lockup. Tries to take down the legs and... Oh my goodness! It's Rick the Dick just... Oh, wow. The Wrangler probably did not expect that one. And a kick right there. I don't know if you saw it. And a punch. The Wrangler trying to regain his form here. There's Rick the Dick getting kicked and all this other stuff. I am not a very good commentator. Oh, and a takedown. Right in the corner. Oh, and a chop right to the chest. Drop kicks to the knees and...
1!
Referee starts a count.
3!
Another kick. Right up there. the chest area. Wrangler, knee to the face. Oh wait, Wrangler, he's on the second rope. What does he plan to do? Oh, he's going to the top. What does Wrangler plan on doing here? The takedown after a failed crossbody splash attempt and a kick out by the Wrangler.
2.
Wrangler trying to both find a way to win this match and avoid frostbite. Takedown. And a stump right to the back of the thigh there. And Rick the Dick needs to leave the ring to recapture his composure here. Goes right over the top. The top rope, that is. Back into the ring. These two competitors trying to find out what to do. Here we go now. They headlock and a throwdown. That leg is underneath the rope. Well, now it's not. Oh! The knee right to the gut. Rick the Dick. He's down. And what is... Another splash! Another splash. Man, I suck today on camera. Stomp right to the arm. Warlock trying to get Rick the Dick up. That sounded very wrong. Here we are. And, oh, what a stunner type move. I got that this time. And this match is over. Wrangler wins. He wins very much. There's the Wrangler. And he leaves right now in victory.